3 steps to learning vibrato on the oboe. Step 1, laughing clown. Normally on the oboe, we want to start the note with our tongue. But in this step of learning vibrato, we're actually going to start the note with our air, with the H of our air rather than the T of our tongue. Ha, 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 ha. It's okay that it sounds a little bit squawky. It's a laughing clown. It's supposed to be a little goofy sounding, and you should definitely feel and see your belly kind of going inward with each puff. Step 2, bouncing ball. If you think about the way you would drop a ball and just let it bounce until it starts getting faster and faster and rolls away, that's what we're going to do with our ha, ha, ha. Get faster and faster with each ha until it starts merging into each other. Step 3, choo-choo train. So imagine a hill and the train is going down the hill, getting faster and faster and faster until it's full speed, and then slowly creeping its way back up the top. After you're comfortable with these 3 steps, start incorporating vibrato into slow scales.